Hey guys, it's Tom here from Crypto Life Inc. again. Happy Friday, guys. It's been a big day in crypto, especially for Bitcoin. We had some good news, so let's jump right in and see what happens. Alright, let's jump right into it, guys. Look, I actually just recorded this video, but I stuffed it up already, so there wasn't any sound, so I'm just recording it again. Hopefully the run through goes smooth. I'll just try and keep it real quick because I'm getting a bit tired of recording this video over and over again. But basically we had some great news for Bitcoin today, and we should see some nice follow through. So as we left off, we were having some consolidation. People were a bit worried, but there's nothing to worry about here. We've got our higher low of the day at 9271, it appears. So that is the must-hold level now for support. But going through, we saw a nice bullish movement up here, and then we've actually broken the downwards trend line since that we set since December. So that's more clear on the 4-hour time frame. So I'll have a look there. But we had a brief period of consolidation, and we're just pushing right through it now. So here on the 4-hour time frames, amazing stuff. It was actually, you can see that how clearly we pushed through this downtrend, and you can see how many candlesticks we got. We've got actually 8 solid candlesticks, and these are on the 4-hour time frame. So that's 32 hours of just full-on bull movement. This one's actually can't make up its mind. It's going red, it's going green every time I check. The last video I did that I tried to record was actually red and then turned green during the video. But it looks like we're going to top out around this mark soon. We're hitting this resistance line set over here as support. Sorry, as a resistance. It's not support. And that's at around 11,200. So we haven't been able to push through that. Looks like we might head up towards a double top if we're not careful here, trying to push through this again. So what ideally we want to see some consolidation, and we actually did get some, and I'll show you in the shorter time frames, because I actually made some trades during that time. So actually, if we go to the 5-minute, we did actually get some consolidation because we got to this point, and I decided to short it because I held some Bitcoin, and I saw all those candlesticks, 7 hours, and the RSI was getting towards overbought. So I just took a small position there, and then we ended up actually around here, and then we ended up going down, which was nice because this is exactly what we needed. So we got our lower high here, sorry, a lower low here, and then we had a bounce back up. So I picked up some more Bitcoin around this mark actually, because I missed this initial bounce, and then we had some nice follow through. I actually was looking to short it around here again, like a similar move to what I did up here, and I actually got stopped out. So I actually bought back in half my position around here, so I got to pick up some profits there, and then I got stopped out. I bought it in at 111.16, and then I put in a stop buy order at 111.120. So it was $4 difference plus fees, so it's not a huge amount of risk compared to what I was actually trading with. So it's fairly insignificant, so I'm happy with that. Looks like there's there's still a bit of strength in these bulls, so we're still heading up to this line again. So it'll be interesting to see what happens from here. I'm fairly cautious going in because I still think we're really due for some consolidation. I wasn't actually expecting this to jump back straight up to this price level. I thought, okay, we had our lower low, we're gonna have a lower high, but we're gonna get, we pretty much actually had a higher high than here if you're looking at this particular candlestick. So that's showing some good strength in the bulls, but not so good for consolidation wise. But that's why we're being cautious. I'm gonna wait for the price levels to dictate the next move before I try and short anything or buy back in on Bitcoin, because we're pretty overextended on the RSI, or we will be soon if we push through this resistance line. So on the 4-hour chart, if we push through, we're very likely to become overbought. So that's why we're being very cautious right now. So that's what's happening to Bitcoin over the weekend. What I do think will likely happen is either way, if we push through and we just we go for that 9th green candlestick or whatever it is, we're definitely going to get some consolidation at some period of time. So we should get a pullback slightly. I've actually got an alert set up here on Blockfolio. If you guys don't know what Blockfolio is, it's pretty much a mobile app that allows you to track all your bitcoins, your altcoins, etc. So you can see how much profit you're in at any given time, and allows you to track, how much money you have in crypto. So that's a pretty nice app if you haven't already checked it out. But the reason I set an alert here, yeah, it also allows you to set alerts, by the way, is because we've got the resistance here. We tried to push past it before, and here again, actually this, not really here, but over here at least we tried to push past it, couldn't quite get through, and here we're actually retesting it again. So I feel like this resistance is quite strong. So it'll be interesting to see if we can push through it. Right now it doesn't look like we are going to, as we're setting a double top right now. But look, again, right now it's pretty hard to tell. There's a lot of indecision. That's why we've got such a huge fluctuation right here. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But I've actually set up a alert here, so like if it does go past, we get the confirmation. Like the best scenario for me really is that we actually consolidate and then we go past, and then my alert shoots off, and then I can buy back in with the confirmation, and our RSI levels cool down a bit. So that's what I'm actually looking for. I don't actually want to buy it anymore if we cross it right now, because this is getting into risky territory, because we've got eight solid green candlesticks on the 4-hour time frame, but definitely due for some consolidation. We tried to consolidate here, but we ended up in the green anyway. So that's why we're going to be extra cautious going in. See, we've gone red again. So that's pretty much my take on Bitcoin right now. Anyways, guys, it's on Friday. Enjoy the weekend. Have a beer. I'm going to go out and have a beer now. So that's pretty much what my life's come down to. I'm sick of trading this indecisive chart right now. I'm going to go have a beer. Have a good one, guys. I do have that free Facebook group, so if you want to join and have a chat with us, it's called Crypto Newbies. I'll leave the link in the description below. You can see it's still fluctuating, red and green. It's bloody traffic light over here. Anyways, enjoy your weekend, guys, and take care. And if you want to get more of these videos on time, just like and subscribe so you get the notification straight away. See you guys. Have a good one.